Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Christy Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Jeannie Badgett. She's a Senior Extension Associate for Clothing, Textiles, and Household Equipment. Good morning, Jeannie.
Good morning, Christy. Thanks for having me.
Now, Jeannie, the past few years, I have heard a lot about microfiber cleaning cloths. And today you are going to educate us on them and tell us what is a microfiber.
So I think before we start discussing microfibers, let's just talk about basic fibers in general. There are natural fibers such as cotton, wool, or silk, and then there are manufactured fibers, man-made fibers like polyester, nylon, acrylic, and those fibers are what make yarns and fabrics that we use in our daily lives. Now, microfibers are manufactured fibers, and typically they are polyester or nylon or polypropylene. But what makes them special is because they are man-made, we can control the fineness of the microfiber. Microfibers are actually almost 100 times finer than human hair. And the properties of microfibers are what make them special. Now, microfiber cloths that are obviously made with microfibers, they're typically made with polyester, nylon, and propylene.
So, Jeannie, how do the microfiber cloths work?
So what makes them special is because the fibers in the cloth are so tiny, they actually pick up and attract dirt and debris. They work almost like a magnet. And polyester, which goes into microfiber cloths, attracts oil naturally, and nylon will absorb water. So they're very, very absorbent.
That is so interesting, Jeannie. So if we want to use a microfiber cleaning cloth, how do we use them? And do we use a cleaning product with them?
The first thing is whenever you get a microfiber cloth, you definitely want to look at the directions that come with it. Basically, you can typically just get by with using water and your cloth. If you have a surface that's very dirty or oily, grimy, sometimes you will need a detergent to break up that surface gunk, if you will, but then you can just spray the surface with some water and wipe it with the microfiber cloth. And again, because that cloth, the way it's made with those special fibers, it holds and picks up the dirt and debris and traps it instead of just spreading it around. Now, they don't kill germs or disinfect. So that is why when you use the microfiber cloth, you want to make sure that you have separate cloths for separate areas of your home. And then as you use the cloth, continually rinse it throughout the time that you're using it.
Now, Jeannie, prices vary with anything. So how can you tell if the cloth you have is good quality?
There are some microfiber cloths that just cost a few dollars and some that cost maybe up to $10 for a cloth. And basically that is because, like I said earlier, they are woven or knit and made from fibers that are produced differently based on what they're going to be used for. So a good microfiber cloth is going to absorb water instead of just pushing it around, and also won't shed or lint and leave debris. And also a good microfiber cloth is one that when you touch it, you'll feel it kind of grabs onto the skin of your hands. And
now, Jeannie, we're almost out of time, but can you tell us how to care and clean for our microfiber cleaning cloths?
So as I said before, when you're using the cloth, you'll just want to rinse it with warm water throughout the time that you're using it. But then maybe once a week or so, wash your cloth in warm water, or sometimes it'll need to be washed in cool water depending on the actual makeup of the cloth. So definitely follow the directions. You don't want to use bleach and you don't want to use fabric softener in the wash because it will hurt the fibers and make them less productive. You don't want to wash them with other clothing or towels that will give off lint in the washer or dryer, because it's just going to get stuck on your microfiber cloth. So when it comes out of the laundry, it will have all these particles on it.
All right, Jeannie. Well, thank you so much for being here with us today and educating us. If you are watching and would like more information on microfiber cleaning cloths, be sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.